Getting a great trade signal doesn't mean you will make money. A mathematically sound setup can completely fall apart the moment human execution gets involved. Ask around any trading community, and you will find people who followed a profitable signal but still ended up in the red. In most cases, the analyst's math was entirely correct. The trader simply misinterpreted the data. The majority of retail traders treat a signal like a lottery ticket. They buy in and hope it wins. But a real signal is a set of rigid, precise coordinates. We are going to break down those coordinates step by step. By the end of this, you will have a mathematical framework to move from emotional guessing directly to mechanical execution. Because a signal without a strict execution plan is just a direction, and trading on direction alone is how accounts get blown. Every complete trade signal has three core components: an entry price, a take profit, and a stop loss. This chart visualizes our NVDA example. We have our entry point in the middle at $118, our stop loss down at $114, and our take profit up top at $126. This structure creates a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. That exact vertical distance is the structural backbone of the trade. You are risking exactly a $4 drop to potentially capture an $8 rise. The entry price of $118 is an absolute boundary. It signifies the exact level where the math works based on market structure. It is not a rough suggestion. Your job is to wait entirely on the sidelines until the asset reaches that exact price. But here is where fear of missing out takes over. You see the price moving, you panic, and you force your way into the trade late at a worse price, like $120.50. By chasing that entry, your risk zone just expanded massively, while your potential reward compressed to a sliver. The 2-to-1 ratio is destroyed. Patience at the exact entry point is the first required act of discipline. It is the only way to keep the mathematical integrity of the trade intact. Once you enter the trade, you hit the stop loss. This is mathematically the most critical component of the entire signal, yet it is almost universally ignored. The rule here is absolute. If the price hits $114, you exit. No deliberating and no holding on to see what happens. This blank tally matrix maps out 10 hypothetical trades. We use this to show how a strict 2-to-1 ratio allows you to lose the majority of your trades and still walk away profitable. Let's walk through the losing side. If you lose 6 out of those 10 trades, but strictly cap your risk, 6 losses at $4 each results in a controlled $24 total loss. Now look at the winning side. Just 4 wins capturing $8 each results in a $32 gain. Even with a 60% loss rate, you clear a net profit of $8. That math breaks down entirely when fear takes over. A trader decides to delete their stop loss on a single trade, hoping to avoid taking a small, calculated hit. Without that limit, the price keeps dropping. What was supposed to be a $4 loss slides into a $20 loss. That single unprotected trade just wiped out the gains of 5 winning trades. Hitting your stop loss is never an admission of failure. It is a calculated shield that ensures you survive long enough for probability to actually work in your favor. Finally, we reach the take profit. This is a pre-calculated resistance zone established before the trade starts, well before human emotion can cloud your real-time judgment. The failure point here is greed. A trader watches upward momentum build and adjusts their target higher, right as that momentum violently stalls and reverses. By trying to outsmart their own initial plan, they end up watching a nearly complete winner bleed all the way back to a break-even trade, or worse, a loss. To eliminate that emotional interference, you rely on mechanical execution. You input the complete bracket order, your entry at $118, your stop loss at $114, and your take profit at $126, all at once. Once that order is submitted, the absolute rule applies. You step away and let the defined parameters trigger automatically. Mid-trade meddling is exactly where losses hide. True risk management requires blindly trusting the parameters you set before you had money on the line. To use a signal successfully, treat the market as a map of specific coordinates, rather than a test of your intuition. Second-guessing the numbers or making mid-flight adjustments isn't refining the trade. It is the fastest way to break a profitable strategy. Following this process won't remove emotion entirely, but it provides a rigid mechanical structure. It replaces the what if with a pre-planned if-then. This is how every trade plan at Calibre Signals is built, with a defined entry, a hard stop, and a mathematical target. You can join the Calibre Signals Discord for free at the link below. Start moving past the guesswork and begin executing your trades with precision.